Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at techtrader.com. It's Wednesday, March the 8th. This is the charts of the day video for tonight, and let's talk about the stocks that we like. And look, it wasn't a great market. It was a nice rally at the end, but for now, individually, we're still traders and we're trading individual patterns. ACMR with a nice engulfing reversal day today. It was up 71 cents or 6%, but I think the key was 2 days ago it broke out on volume, then it paused, had an engulfing reversal, looking for a test of 14 and then 16 extension. AEHR, one of our favorites, snapped back today, 228 or 7.25%, and now we're watching the level at around 37.5. We got to get through that. And then you're looking at 44.5, my next swing target. AMAM, after popping and pulling back, had a little bit of a reverse today from 850 to 1033. Finished 990, up 62 cents. Volume was almost 10 million shares. My target now is a retest of 12 and then 14 and 18. AMD, a couple of days ago, came out of across the declining top sign, then backed off. Yesterday pulled back again, but today it really came up. Added 308, about 4%. I'm looking for a retest at 89 and then 93 going forward. Big day for ARLO. We day traded it nicely. It went from 391 to 542. Finished 535, up 178, 50%, 15.4 million. Huge volume for that stock, the biggest traded since the end of 2020. It looks to me like if the declining top line was taken out, lateral price resistance was pierced, and resistance at 553 was certainly tested, and it closed near there. So if we pop up to that zone, I would look for about 6.5 next target. Beyond that, 7 3/4. AUPH popped across the triple top out of a consolidation today, and so I put a swing on it. I like the stock for a move to 11 and 13. Bellerophon's been just going bonkers of late, going from $1.25 to 7.44 just in the last week and a half. It looks to me like there may be some overhead resistance up here, but the momentum could carry this to 8.5. Kala, after exploding in January and having a big retracement, exploded again this week, pulled back for a day, and then today resumed its advance after filling the gap. An engulfing reversal day, it looks like it. Your target now, 26.5. LYTS coming through an ascending bull coil. If it breaks out here, I'm looking for 16.5 and 18. MAXN, big move today. Exploded with a breakaway gap, ran up sharply, and it closed at the highs for the day, going away at 27.10. It looks to me like if it gets through here, we can see something in the low 30s. Terrific chart. Red Robin broke out of a base today after a long decline. That's the restaurant chain. You can see that it actually broke out last week, but it's been up every day since this gap for 6-7 days in a row now. I'd be looking for an extension. We're at resistance, secondary resistance here. Next level of resistance would have to be a move towards 15. Skyt, instead of semiconductor group, SkyWater, broke out of a wedge today. I'm now looking for a test and take out of 16. We do that, 19 is your next target. SOXL, swing trade, maybe coming out of a wedge. It popped $1.09 or 7.5% today. Next target, 18 and 21. Verx with explosive pop today, gapped and ran, 16 to 19 to 14, finished 18.79 up 3.78. 25% gain today on a whopping 1.9 million, which doesn't sound like a lot, but for that stock, it's the biggest volume in several years, and it looks like it comes on a breakout day. My target, 23. VYGR, Voyager, popped as well. A big engulfing reversal bar from 711 to 835, finished at the high, up 101, nearly 14%. Next target, 9.5 and 11. Weight Watchers, well, exploded on 80 million shares yesterday, came down today. We put a swing on it on the pullback. I just don't want to see it below 4 3/4. That's my stop. But the targets are going to be 6 and 7 again. Additionally, $8 may be had. We'll see. XPON, beautiful chart. Popped out today and broke out. This is the highest level achieved since April of last year. I would not be surprised to see an extension towards 8. And finally, YEXT, big engulfing reversal day after dipping to 760. It went up to 967, finished 930, up 81 cents or 9.5%. A big recovery from a loss and a nice close. Target now is $11. That's it for tonight, everybody. Have a great evening, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.